Hi, everybody. It's me again. We're starting the impromptu speech. I'm pretty excited about that. I apologize for my appearance. I only get to do this late at night, so here we are. It's going to be great. I'm going to pull up my options here. My audience gave me to be grown up as a state of mind. Goals are good for you. And the most important lesson of my life so far, dot, dot, dot. I think that I want to go with the most important lesson of my life so far. Um, I've had a lot of lessons in life that have taught me so much. I think especially right now, something that I need to remember is that we need to have more faith in God and believe that He'll give us what we need and what we hope and what we dream for if we can just be patient. Um, that mustard seed of faith that we read about in the Bible. Um, as I grew up through my childhood and even my young adult years, I went through a lot. I at 19 buried my first child. I dated a heroin addict for 7 years. Um, I had an abusive stepfather. Um, Many things that really kind of set me up for failure and set me up to not succeed. And I really struggled for a long time with fight or flight. I struggled with anxiety, doubt, lack of self-worth. Some of these things I still struggle with to this day. It's been 7 to 8 years since I found God and found religion, found what true love is. Um, and man, I can't tell you how far I've come in those 7.5, maybe 8 years. Um, I went from living in unhealthy homes. I went from getting traffic tickets from sleeping in my car. I went from lack of ability to succeed in life. Um, Now here I am today. Today I just worked my first day as a teacher. I'm almost a year in on my degree. I pay for my own everything, my own rent, my own utilities, my own food. I have a reliable vehicle for the first time in God knows how long. Um, I'm no longer on government assistance. Uh, I attend church every Sunday, and I mean, life isn't perfect, and we still struggle a lot. Here I am doing schoolwork at 9:30 at night, completely exhausted after working 12-hour days for the last 14 days straight. Um, but I'm achieving my goals. So to go back to the question, the most important lesson of my life so far was to have that mustard seed of faith, that belief that everything's going to be okay as long as I can have that faith. Not only do those things come when you have faith, but when things aren't so good, you, at least for me, I developed the ability to stay strong and keep my head steady and not just self implode, if that makes any sense. Um, God's a powerful, powerful God. And man, was I stupid to not realize that until now. I feel like I could be so much farther if I would have just trusted in Him sooner. But yeah, there's my impromptu speech. The most important lesson in life. Have faith in God. Everything will be okay. Don't allow yourself to have a fear of the unknown. Everything works out because our God's an omniscient God. He can do anything and he knows everything. Have a good night, guys.